Hello guys, welcome back with me, Sal 2025. Today we're going to learn how to install Visual Studio C++ library. The first step is use your browser and access visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. Then select Community Free Download. After that, you will get Visual Studio Setup.exe. Double-click that file. It will download some file and will bring you to this window. In Workloads tab, search Desktop Development with C++ in Desktop and Mobile section. Check it and the Select Install while downloading. Also, if you want, you could also download Python development, data science and analytical applications, and also Universal Windows platform development. After that, the installation will start and just follow the wizard. I couldn't show you cause already have them, but I promise it is a very simple installation process that you simply click next finished. Okay guys, hope that helped. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.